A computed value prompt automatically calculates results based on other prompts in a checklist. This feature is useful for performing calculations like sums, differences, or percentages. Create a checklist and add at least 2 number prompt types. Then create one computed value prompt and click Configure Computed Value. Choose an operator such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Select the first number prompt as the first variable. Select the second number prompt as the second variable. Enter the operator followed by both prompt variable names separated by a comma within the parentheses. Save the computed value configuration, then save the checklist. Attach the checklist to a job. Enter values for the number prompts, such as 5 and 23. The computed value will automatically display the calculated result.